as you know, Oakwood School is going to be closing at the end of June, and we are here today celebrating the 48 years that it has been here. So we've invited all the parents, students, and community members, all the staff that are here today and that were ever here, to enjoy the celebration with us. Well, first of all, outside we have the sanctuary. People can go on self-guided tours through the sanctuary. We have a tent set up with a registration table and some seats set up for people to sit outside. We have decade rooms set up. In each room there is a different decade, and the students and the staff have worked together to put those together. We have refreshments. And our open house is from 1 to 3, and at 3 o'clock to 4 we're going to have a ceremony. There are a lot of people that are really happy to see people that they worked with or people that they went to school with. Generally it's a really good feeling. It really is truly a celebration.